Before we move forward in the AI Explained Daily series, we need to fix something important. Some earlier videos created confusion because topics overlapped. So this video repairs everything, clearly, simply, and in order. By the end, you'll understand what AI can feel, how it learns, how it decides, how it affects jobs, and what AI agents really are. Today's question is, can AI feel emotions? The answer is no. AI does not feel emotions. It can recognize emotions through data, such as facial expressions, text, and tone, but it does not experience happiness, fear, or empathy. AI only simulates emotional responses while humans genuinely feel them. Next question, how does AI actually learn? AI learns from data, not from life experience like humans. It finds patterns in massive data sets using training and feedback. The more high-quality data it sees, the better its predictions become. There is no understanding, only statistical learning. Another important question, can AI make decisions? AI does not decide like humans do. It calculates probabilities and selects the most likely outcome based on rules and data. Humans define goals. AI only suggests options. Next question, can AI replace human jobs? AI replaces tasks, not people. Repetitive work gets automated, but human skills like creativity, judgment, and empathy remain essential. People who use AI will replace those who don't. Now that we've repaired the confusion, let's continue the real structure of the series.
Today's series topic is, how does AI help with decision-making? AI helps humans make better decisions by analyzing patterns and predicting outcomes. It reduces bias and improves accuracy, but final responsibility always stays with humans. Next topic. How can students use AI correctly? For students, AI acts like a smart tutor. It explains concepts, creates practice material, summarizes lessons, and adapts to learning speed when used ethically. Next topic. How does AI help creators? Creators use AI to speed up ideas, scripting, editing, and planning. AI amplifies creativity. It does not replace original thinking. Next topic. What mistakes do AI beginners make? Common mistakes include blindly trusting outputs, using vague prompts, and expecting AI to think like a human. AI works best with clarity and guidance. Final question. What are AI agents? AI agents are different from normal AI tools. They can plan tasks, remember goals, take actions automatically, and adapt steps. This is where AI shifts from simple tools to digital workers. This video repairs the confusion and reconnects the AI Explained Daily series. Like, share, and subscribe to AISparkHub for clear, honest AI knowledge every day.